The average theater goer doesn't want to see people just talking in movies. They want to see shit blown up, hear really loud, great music, fast cars, hot girls and guys, and plenty of sex. Drugs as well. Producing movies with just dialogue is just fucking boring, and an excuse for the studio to try to be cheap and try and pass it off as an art film. There are very talented independents for that who already started a low budget, and we don't need to compete. Some of those expenses are for you guys calling us in at the last minute because you fucked up trying to save money hiring incompetent people who can't finish their film, and you're stuck. Again, we are not putting our names on this shit if we're not happy with it. You had 3 flops already and we're not even halfway through the year yet. A bit of advice, buddy. If you're gonna make a comedy, just make it funny. The studio was irresponsible by not studying the test audience reaction, not looking at the research, and too scared to request reshoots. A movie is like a parachute. If it doesn't open right on the first weekend, you're fucking dead. It makes $31 million and everyone calls it a bomb. Chip and I put 30 projects into development around the same time it takes one of these pricks you hired to turn a page in a fucking script. All right, Chip follows through meticulously and pays close attention to detail. I have the big ideas and he executes them. Our movies begin with a sunrise, starting a new chapter. But before the character can achieve his goal, he must first be reduced to nothing and almost be obliviated, and end showing him being resurrected. So as far as the bullshit that goes on around here, Chip and I, we're bulletproof. We will shut down communication with pretty much anyone who gets in our way or tries to compromise us.